Hello students, today I am going to teach you a very important unit of calculus, which is limits. Limit is the beginning of calculus. So what is a limit? A limit is the value that a function approaches as that function's inputs get closer and closer to some number. So as for example, if you consider this circle, and if you consider a polygon, the area of the polygon can never be equal to the area of the circle. If we extend the number of sides of the polygon, so the area maybe approaches to the area of the circle but cannot be equal. If we increase the number of sides of the regular polygon, the area of the polygon will be approaching or approaches to the area of the circle but cannot be equal. So what is the meaning of x tends to a? That is tends to. X tends to a. That means x is a variable. The value of x is very close to a, very near to a, approaching to a but not equal to a. As x tends to a, that means x is very near to a, very close to a. That is called approaches to that value of a. So that is called x tends to a. That means x is not equal to a. It is x is equal to a. That means the value of x is a. But x tends to a. That means the value of x is very near or close to a. Approaching to that, approaches to that value of a. Now, working rule of limits. So what is the working rule? Limit in short form you write lim, L-I-M. Under that you write x tends to a. So what is the working rule? Limit x tends to a f of x is equal to f of a. That means as x is very near to a, as x approaches to a, fx is approaching to f of a, approaches to f of a. So in short we write limit x tends to f of x equal to f of a if fa is a definite value. So these are the fundamental theorem we have to know. What are the fundamental? Limit of sum of two functions is equal to sum of their limit. Limit x tends to f of x plus limit x tends to a g of x. Similarly, minus if it is there, difference of two functions, another limit will be some difference of their limits. So limit x tends to f of x minus limit x tends to a g of x. Similarly, c is a constant, a definite value, constant value. So c you can keep it outside. If it is product, we can easily multiply product of their limits. If it is division, we can easily divide limit x tends to f of x divided by limit x tends to g of x, provided this gx should not be equal to 0. If it is equal to 0, it will be undefined. So these are the fundamental theorem on limits we have to know when you solve numerical problem of limits. Now we have to know some formula based on limits. What is the first formula? Limit x tends to a x to the power n minus a to the power n by x minus a equal to n a to the power n minus 1. Formula number 2, limit x tends to 0 e to the power x minus 1 by x should be equal to 1. The third one, limit x tends to 0 a to the power x minus 1 by x equal to log a to the base e. Limit x tends to 0, 1 plus x to the power 1 by x should be equal to e. E is exponential. And limit x tends to 0, log of 1 plus x by x should be equal to 1. This 5 formula you have to know very well to solve problems on limits. You have to know this formula, very important formula. So now we are going to discuss some problems on limits. Now we are going to discuss problem from limits. Number 1. How to solve problem number 1? Limit x tends to 1, 6x square minus 4x plus 3. So that function is a definite value. We can easily put the value of x direct here. So what will be here? That is number 1. Limit x tends to 1, 6x square minus 4x plus 3. If the function is defined, we can put the value of x direct. Undefined means when the denominator is 0. We cannot put direct the value. So you have to calculate for that. You have to use formula or you have to do some other method to eliminate that undefined function. So if you put x equal to here 6 minus, direct just put x equal to 1, 4 into 1, 4 plus 3. So it will be 5. Now number 2. Limit x tends to 3, x to the power 4 minus 81 by x minus 3. Here you cannot put x direct here because 3 minus 3 is 0. So denominator 0 means undefined. But we can apply one formula I have given to you. Number 1 formula. X to the power n minus a to the power n by x minus a. The first formula. X to the power 4 minus 3 to the power 4 by x minus 3. We can write formula n. N is here 4. 4 into 3 to the power 4 minus 1, 3. So that will be 4 into 27, 108. That is the answer of question number 2. Now we are going to solve number 3. This solution number 3. Limit x tends to 2, x to the power 5 minus 32 by x to the power 3, x cube minus 8. We can write x to the power 5 minus 2 to the power 5. 2 to the power 5 is 32. Similarly, we can divide because two functions are different. X to the power 3 minus 2 to the power 3 by x minus 2. So we can split it into two different functions because fx by gx form. Now we can apply formula x to the power n. Now we can divide both numerator and denominator by x minus 2 to get that form of the formula. X minus 2, limit x tends to 2, x cube minus 2 cube by x minus 2. Dividing both numerator and denominator by x minus 2. Now we can apply formula. It will be 5 into 2 to the power n minus 1. It will be 3 into, it is 3, n into 2 to the power 3 minus 1 is 2. So the answer will be 2 to the power 4, 5 into 2 square by 3. So that will be 420 by 3. That is the answer of this question number 3. Now, similarly, you can solve for number 4. If you get root functions, irrational function, irrational factor, you have to rationalize it, whether it is in numerator or denominator. So 1 plus x square under radical sign minus 1 by x. So you have to multiply its conjugate. 1 plus x square minus 1 is this, so plus 1. You have to multiply its conjugate with both numerator and denominator. So you will get a formula a plus b into a minus b, s square minus b square formula. Root square root goes, so 1 plus x square minus 1 and denominator will remain same. So 1 cancel. So from x plus x square, if you take x common, 1 plus x by x into root over 1 plus x square plus 1. X is cancel, for which the function is undefined, it goes. Now we can put x equals 0 easily now. The function is a definite value. So if you put x equals 0 here, 1 plus 0 is 1. If you put here 0, 0, it will be root 1 plus 1. Root 1 is 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So 1 by 2 is the answer. Thank you.